Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this is an inflatable eyeball that my family and I have had quite a bit of fun with. You would be surprised how many uses you can find and how much fun it can be to have an inflatable eyeball that you can kick around. We have found it to be very fun in the pool as well as the backyard. I like to antagonize my dog with it. It's excellent for getting her to exercise around the backyard. We've used it as a simple soccer ball when we were playing games as a family. And again, just floating in my pool. This is gruesome and yet hilarious. It's easy to inflate. It's a good size. I appreciate the fact that it is large enough to work well as both a volleyball and a soccer ball, depending on what your needs are. And of course, what could be more fun than kicking around a gruesome eyeball? I can't think of very little. And on top of all of that, it comes with a loop right here. That means that you could also use it as a gruesome, bloody eyeball decoration, should you so desire. And you can simply hang it by that little loop. So a ton of different uses for this very easy to inflate and hilarious, gruesome, bloody eyeball. So I definitely recommend it if you are looking for an inflatable eyeball. You can't go wrong with this one. And that is my point of view.